Introduction to iterators in Java. Hello everyone, we're going to look at an essential aspect of the Java collections framework, which is the iterator. So an iterator is a tool for accessing elements in a collection sequentially without exposing its underlying structure. And this concept is really important for efficiently managing and manipulating collections of data in Java. Understanding iterators. So the iterator in Java is an interface included in the java.util package. It provides three main methods. First, hasNext, and hasNext checks if there are more elements available to explore. Second is next. Next retrieves the next element in the collection. And lastly, remove. Remove allows the removal of elements during iteration, though its use is optional and must be handled with care to avoid exception called concurrent modification exception. And we have this example, which we will go over more in subsequent slide. How to use iterators. In order to use an iterator, what you need to do is you first need to obtain one from your collection. For example, say you have a list of names, then you can get an iterator like this. In the second line, we are calling iterator method like this. And then once you have the iterator, you can use it in a while loop like in this example, and you can traverse through the list. And this method ensures that you can inspect or manipulate elements safely without modifying the collection directly, which might otherwise lead to runtime errors. Iterating over a list. This is an example we can look at. Say we have a list of fruits, apple, banana, cherry. Then using an iterator, we would declare iterator. We can loop through each fruit and print it. So you can see that next method moves the cursor forward in the list, allowing us to access each element until all have been processed, and we check whether there's a next element or not by calling hasNext. Removing elements. So iterators also allow us to safely remove elements from a collection while iterating. So in this example, we can remove banana from our fruit list as we come across it by calling remove method. Once you do this, the list will no longer contain banana. So this method avoids the concurrent modification exception that would occur if we try to modify the list directly during iteration. Enhancements and alternatives. So iterators are really powerful, but Java also offers other ways to loop through collections. So first example would be enhanced for loop. You can see we can just use for loop to just go through the collection. And this may be simpler for simple cases. And we have list iterator for more complex collection structure. And the good thing about this list iterator is that it offers bidirectional traversal. You can see that uh, this list iterator not only has next method, but also has previous method. And for modern Java application, you can use the Stream API, which provides more advanced capabilities for processing collections efficiently. And here's a simple example. Conclusion, today we looked at how iterators play a critical role in the Java collections framework. And iterators provide a reliable method for traversing, inspecting, and manipulating collections. So if you want to know more about iterators, I encourage you to take a look at Java reference and also try iterating over different types of collections and see what methods work best for various tasks. Thank you for listening.